What if I told you that one simple alarm clock habit could change your entire day? Let's find out which morning routine really works.
Discussing different alarm clock habits.
Good morning, Emma. You look very energetic today, and I wonder if you woke up early again.
Good morning, Daniel. Yes, I woke up at 6 o'clock because my alarm clock rang right on time.
That is impressive, because I usually need 3 different alarms before I finally get out of bed.
Really? I only set one alarm because I know I have to get up as soon as I hear it.
I always tell myself that I will sleep for just 5 more minutes, but it often turns into 30 minutes.
That happens to many people because the snooze button can become a bad habit if we use it too often.
My phone alarm is very loud, but somehow I still manage to ignore it when I am sleepy.
I use a cheerful melody instead of a loud sound because it helps me wake up in a better mood.
That sounds like a good idea, because my alarm sound always makes me feel stressed.
Choosing the right alarm tone can make waking up feel much more pleasant and peaceful.
Do you keep your phone beside your bed while you sleep every night?
No, I leave it on my desk, so I have to stand up to turn off the alarm.
That is very smart, because once you are standing, it is harder to crawl back into bed.
Exactly. And then I open the curtains to let the sunlight come into my room.
I usually keep my curtains closed, and my room stays dark even after my alarm rings.
Natural sunlight helps your brain realize that it is time to wake up and start the day.
Maybe that is one reason why I always feel tired in the morning.
Do you usually stay up late watching videos or playing games?
Yes, I often stay awake until midnight because I lose track of time.
Sleeping late makes it much more difficult to wake up early, even with several alarms.
I know that, but changing my bedtime has been very difficult for me.
You can start by going to bed just 15 minutes earlier every few days.
That sounds much easier than trying to change everything all at once.
Small and steady improvements usually last much longer than sudden changes.
My younger brother wakes up before his alarm every single morning.
His body probably has a regular sleep schedule, and that helps him wake up naturally.
I wish my body clock worked like that, because it would make mornings much easier.
It can happen if you follow the same bedtime and wake-up time every day.
Even on weekends, I usually sleep until almost noon.
Sleeping too late on weekends can make Monday mornings much more difficult.
I never realized that my weekend habits could affect the rest of the week.
Our bodies like regular routines because they help us feel healthier and more energetic.
Do you ever forget to set your alarm before going to sleep?
It rarely happens because I always check my alarm before I turn off the lights.
I forgot once, and I almost missed an important school presentation.
That must have been a stressful experience, but it probably taught you a valuable lesson.
It certainly did, because now I always double-check my alarm settings.
Good habits often begin after we learn from our mistakes.
My father uses an old-fashioned alarm clock instead of a smartphone.
That is interesting because some people prefer simple alarm clocks without distractions.
He says he sleeps better when his phone is not beside his bed.
Many people believe that avoiding screens before bedtime helps them sleep more deeply.
I think I should stop looking at my phone right before I go to sleep.
That would probably help you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling refreshed.
I also want to drink less coffee in the evening because it keeps me awake.
That is another excellent idea because caffeine can make it harder to sleep well.
I never knew that my evening habits affected my morning routine so much.
Everything is connected because healthy evenings often lead to happier mornings.
Starting tomorrow, I will set one alarm and place my phone across the room.
That sounds like a wonderful plan, and I hope it works well for you.
I will also try to go to bed before 11 o'clock every night.
I believe you can do it if you stay patient and remain consistent.
Thank you for sharing your helpful ideas because they have given me confidence.
You are welcome, and I am happy if my experience can help you.
Next week, I will tell you whether my new alarm clock habits are successful.
I look forward to hearing your progress because good habits are worth celebrating.
I already feel motivated to make better choices for my health and daily routine.
Every small step toward a better routine is an important achievement.
Thank you for encouraging me to improve my mornings one day at a time.
You are welcome. And remember that consistent habits today create a happier and healthier tomorrow.